Okay, time for news. Firstly, I will show where I check news. It's very simple, it's Forex Factory website. It's very comfortable, time for news, where the news are going, what are news. I don't pay attention what are economic data on certain news. I pay attention only on the time when news are publishing. I don't check these details, I'm not interested in this. I just watch uh, where the news are publishing and the time. Why I don't pay attention on economic data? Because news is the house that often breaks technical analysis for intraday trading. By the practice I saw many times when reaction of the market doesn't match with the economic data forecast that were released. I don't see any point to hope on that is published because I trade the market, the chart, not the news. I will show you now some examples how news can affect the market behavior. There are many situations how news can react. In the last days, I remember only a few moments when news were published. It was on Euro. Yeah, this spike was crazy news. Let me find it on the chart now. Okay, here it is. If we can see here, a news published on 1530 at um, it were United States news. Usually it's going on my time at 1530. Firstly it go down, then it's strongly go up, and then it's go down again. So here is up, up and down. It's very crazy and you couldn't even know where the market go. You see that here is a candle upstairs, so you expect that the news are going up. Now they reverse down and you think, oh yeah, they're going down, we can sell here and catch the trend downstairs, and you get here a stop and trend is going up, very strong trend, and you think that yeah, I am going up and the market is going up and I will get huge profit. You are crazy. You are buying here. You have one stop, second stop. You buy here. You catch here stop or you catch here stop. So it's better to stay away from these news. On British pound, I remember yesterday and on Thursday. Let me check these news. Yeah, let's start with Thursday. Oh, where is it? Okay, here it is. For example, you bought here, right? Let's open big chart. You buy here, the market is going upstairs, and these news are going out at 11:30 by my time. It was on Thursday, 11:30. Okay, if we can see the forecast of these news lower than the previous one. So the market by the forecast should go down, right? But before it go up. Okay, that's a little bit strange. So I don't pay attention this going up or down. I just, if I have an order here, a buy order, and the market is here, I just leave my order, put a stop profit for it, and wait what they will do, these news. Okay, let's see next. Um, we see that the news published on 11:30. Let's open 1 minute chart and see here. See this news. Okay, uh, the data, economic data, was for British pounds, so they have to go up. Yeah, they went up, but they reversed the trend. and they didn't continue going up. So this comparing economic data and the trend where they move the market, it didn't match with each other. These are positive data, and the trend reversed. That's why I don't pay attention on these digits. I don't need them. I just need only the time. Okay, let's move for another day. Yesterday. And news were there as well. And it's 15:30 and United States news. Same, absolutely the same. Economical data was positive for United States, so the market should go downstairs. Here is that time news time. Yes, they go down, then they move up, then they go down. So you expect that, right, the economic data for United States, it's positive. But they reversed and go up. And how you can explain this? It's just easy to explain. Just don't look at these things, because it's like an indicator. You pay attention on these digits and you get another picture on the market. So it's better to see how the market moves at this news time and just sit and watch for it if you're not in the market. If you're in the market, so you can just check the situation and decide what to do. Actually, every news has own behavior. It can go in one direction, it can stuck in one position, it can change the direction. Sometimes it can change direction many times, like in euro, up, and down. So my advice, if you have no open position at the time of news, don't open it until the market stabilize and define news trend. If you have opened orders and the price is near to the opened order, try to close the order with small profit or small minus, that don't get an unexpected situation. For example, if you have buy here, you just close your order before the news. If you didn't close, you don't know what you will expect. You catch here stop loss, or you catch here stop loss. Or if you, for example, British pound, have a buy order here, where is it? You have a buy order right here, and the news are here. The difference is 30 pips, so you can put a stop profit right here and wait what the news will do. They can hit your stop profit and you get nothing, or they can go upstairs and you will get a big profit. So trading on news time, I wouldn't recommend it if you're not ready for scalping, as need to react very quickly to open and close orders. If I want to trade on news time, I usually wait some time until news reaction calms down and then I decide trade or not. Like in euro, it's go up, then it's go down, and of course I decide here to sell, and I get here stop loss, right? But if you would like to scalp on 1 minute chart on news time, for this you sell here, you see that the market don't go downstairs, you close your order, they change the direction, you buy, you catch this direction upstairs, then you see that the market's going down, you close here order. After you close your order, you make sell here and you close here or here or here. It's up to you guys. Okay, now you know everything about trading on news, and just be careful, as important news sometimes are dangerous. And importance of news, I check this section. If it's red, that it can be important. If it's yellow or orange, it's not so important. So check the time, check the importance of the news, check the the country where the news are publishing, and don't pay attention on these digits. Just watch the market, this pulsation, how the behavior of it, how it moves, and you will get profit.